must let it work the way it's supposed to, with the understanding that in any recession, unemployment tends to recover more slowly than other measures of economic activity. Now, the choice is clear. A failure to ratify New START would be a dangerous gamble with America's national security, setting back our understanding of Russia's nuclear weapons, as well as our leadership in the world. Some of our greatest sports heroes have reminded us why they're true champions and voices for tolerance and understanding. We've also launched the Brain Initiative to revolutionize our understanding of how the human brain works. An understanding that justice isn't simply abstract legal theory, it affects people's daily lives. We need our kids to hear from us why tolerance and equality matter, about the times their absence has scarred our history and how greater understanding will better the future they will inherit. In a time of challenge around the world, let's appreciate the peaceful competition and sportsmanship we'll see, the hugs and high fives, and the empathy and understanding between rivals who know we share a common humanity.
Guided by these principles once more, we can meet those new threats that demand even greater effort, even greater cooperation and understanding between nations.
A new era of understanding among our people in order to reach a fairer perception and understanding of migration.
Agree a great deal with you, and I fully thank you for your support and understanding in this very difficult topic.
Therefore, my belief that the publication of these photos would not add any additional benefit to our understanding of what was carried out in the past by a small number of individuals.
I grew up understanding that the most basic responsibility one has is service to country.
Survival has never required greater cooperation and greater understanding among all people from all places than at this moment in history.
Then some smaller amounts have been given to other sectors, including petroleum, but the bill is still in debate. But I do think there's this very clear understanding that these transitions are going to be an important way of helping industry find the kind of new technologies, the innovations that will allow us to ultimately drive down the cost.
It is experience that can give a person a common touch and a sense of compassion, an understanding of how the world works and how ordinary people live. And there was innovation in Muslim communities. There was innovation in Muslim communities that developed the order of algebra, our magnetic compass and tools of navigation, our mastery of pens and printing, our understanding of how disease spreads and how it can be healed.
My understanding is that the Iranian government says that they are going to look into irregularities that have taken place.
As you say, we have had a wonderful conversation, and this is because we feel that we are so close to the way President Obama's administration is understanding the world, its challenges, and how to build relations with its partners, with the countries of Latin America.
In the last century, generations of Americans and Russians inherited the power to destroy nations and the understanding that using that power would bring about our own destruction.
My understanding is we just sent a letter out providing a full list of all the executives, but